So what are the three things that are holding you back from the life you want, from the fitness that you want to achieve, from the nutrition goals that you want to hit? I think there are three major things, and I'm going to share them with you in the video. Number one, motivation. Motivation doesn't come from you doing something each day to get you motivated. Motivation comes from discipline. The discipline to just keep going. Even when you don't feel like it. Even getting up in the morning not feeling like a workout, or getting up in the morning feeling like you want something different to eat than what you normally eat. The motivation is setting your goal, setting your end goal, and knowing why that end goal is important to you. Everyone has a different reason for that. Number two, leading on from motivation, what can help to keep you motivated is setting goals. Setting a goal for the week, setting a goal for the workout, setting a goal for the day, setting something the day before, thinking if I just do this one thing, this one step, I'm going to be a step closer to where I want to be, a step closer to my goals. The last one of the three is consistency. You've got to be consistent. You've got to put in the work. You've got to, over the course of the days, over the course of the weeks, you've got to just continue to stack up the wins. If you continue to do that, you will see a difference. You will notice a difference, 100%. Probably a couple of weeks and you'll start to notice a difference. A few months in, other people will start to notice a difference. You'll feel different. You'll move better. You'll feel healthier. You'll just feel like a 2.0 version of yourself. You've got this. You know you can do this. I know you can do this. You just got to believe you can do it. Day one starts now. Go for it.